All right, good evening, guys. We are live. We are live. Let's go ahead. Let me get all my notifications sent out. Y'all know what's going on. I got to make this happen. Let's see. Got my link. Let me get all my notifications sent out. Yep, so in this video, I'm going to try to do some live trading, catch the bottom. Although I don't have any fiat that's able to buy this bottom, maybe I'll be able to help you guys find the bottom. So they're pretty freaking cool. That's that. That's that. That is that. So Twitter, Discord, Facebook. I think that's everything. I'm going to go ahead and let's go ahead and take off my cover. Hey, there we are. Yep. So I just got off work, so I'm a little bit rough right now. I haven't taken a shower yet, but I wanted to really see what's going on with the market. I was talking to Ivan, right? Yeah, I was talking to Ivan, and we are talking about essentially we're talking about what was going on in the market, and yeah, I decided, hey, you know what? I'm gonna go live. I'm gonna make this happen as soon as possible because obviously there's a lot going on in the market. So let's get this started. Let's get into it. Let me get my YouTube comments up. There's a process here. All right. There you are, Ivan. I was just talking about you. Awesome, dude. I'm glad to see you live. Absolutely. Me too, man. So, yeah, obviously it's not going the direction I was hoping so. But it's really, oh, man, not that much of a surprise either. So, yeah, we are coming into the golden pocket right now. It's right here, 32,300 to 32,500. This is the golden pocket. This is a Fibonacci retracement of this entire movement. Yeah, I mean, this is what I'm expecting to see. I would love, love, love to see it drop right into this region. Now, to add to our confluence, we also have this level right here. Here to here, extended out, you go over there. I'm going to take off the log chart. Not too much of a change. I'm going to keep the log on. But yeah, so this right here is my primary area. Now, to add to extra confluence, we also have the CME gap. CME gap, Bitcoin. Show you guys what I'm talking about. I think this might be it. Oh, wait, there it is. Oh, come on. All right, here we go. This is what Charles looking for. Full feature this sucker. So these gaps are essentially places where a lot of people like to buy. These are when the futures are closed, and so it actually becomes a pretty dang good spot. And in general, Bitcoin likes to come down and fill these gaps. So the gap is essentially from, I would say to here, 32.1 up to 32.700. That entire thing is the gap. It would not be too surprising to see this entire area get refilled. Was it 32.1? I got to transfer over to this chart. Turn off the magnet. 32.1. There you go. So this isn't, the entire thing is the gap. So as you can see, it'd be a pretty aggressive movement down here, past our golden pocket and also past our trend line if we got it. However, if I take off the log chart, now it basically is where we're at right now. So this actually seems more realistic at this point. So, but yeah, the golden pocket is a really, really, really important level. Yeah, it's found in nature all over the place, a Fibonacci sequence. So it is a very important level. So let's see if we can try to catch the bottom here. See if maybe this is the bottom. I'm not really sure yet. I've been a little busy lately, but let's go ahead and dive in and see what we got going on. Our major levels. I'm going to go into a different chart. Clean chart. See what other levels, maybe some breakers we're looking at or some sort of, I don't even know at this point, but let's start diving in and see if we have anything that really makes sense. So, daily, nothing. That would be nice to clear. Let's go to the hourly real quick. All right, so we have these two levels right here. These would be really, really nice to clear. Do a good old SFP on. So that one, and that one. Oh, here we go. So those two levels would be really, really nice. Do you remember trash day? Sorry, my wife. All right, so these two levels right here, I would love to get an SFP on. What that means is where the price goes something like this, how it comes down here, clears these levels, and then jumps back up. Okay, that's what I really want to see. Because if we do get this SFP, these two levels are where a lot of people put their stop losses at. And so whenever you tap that liquidity and make all these stop losses activate, that basically kills off a lot of the bearish pressure. And a lot of people go into short positions when they clear this as well. So a lot of whales will actually push it down past that, activate those stop losses, get those short positions filled, and then pump the price up once that liquidity has been tapped. So it's called an SFP, a swing failure pattern. That'd be really nice to see. Let's go to the 2 hour maybe. No. 3 hour. Sort of, not really. This entire region we're in right now actually is a pretty decent support level. This entire block right here, I think, should act as a pretty decent support, and so far we've gotten that. Yeah, you guys can see right now we have dipped into it, but we are starting to get some sort of bullish reaction. So, so far it doesn't look that bad. Turn back on. How do I get the 12-hour option minus premium trading view? Oh, let me show you real quick. So I'm going to go over here to, oops, wrong one. Go over here to this, go to the very bottom, and you can type 12. Go over here to hour and add. So 12-hour add, and you just added it. Now, obviously, I already have it, but I want to make like a 13-hour one. I can add it, and it pops right here, right? Now, obviously, 13-hour makes no damn sense. I'm going to go ahead and delete it. But yeah, that's how you would do that. So you have to manually input those if you don't already have them. I really haven't messed with too much with this, but generally my main ones I do look out are the 4 hour, obviously the 15 if I'm really trying to like scalp something, the 15, the 1 hour, the 4 hour. So let me type real quick. The 15, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, day, 3 day, 1 week, 1 month. And that's probably it, honestly. Those right there are my primary ones. Oh, that's cool. I just made a little deal across the top so I can just click on it. That's pretty neat. Yeah, these are my primary ones I like to use. Usually I like to stick with the 4 hour. That's high enough time frame to where I can like get a good idea what's going on in the higher time frame. If I want to scalp, go to the 15. You know, you can really get in here and check out these movements and really try to see. Today I was bored, so I was actually on the 5 minute. And then you can really start getting in the weeds. So I was doing a little bit of this today at work. I was really busy, or I was really slow today. So I was diving in. I was updating on Twitter a lot and stuff. But, oh, man, there you are. We are getting a pretty healthy reaction so far. Now, the biggest issue we've ran into lately is the volume. Volume has been our key indicator that we're going to keep failing, and it's really crappy, but that's what we've been dealing with lately. So let's go ahead and get rid of this. Wait, which one was this? Is that a log chart? Yes, it was a log chart. All right, let's go ahead to the 1 hour. Actually, 15. We got the 15-minute chart. And you guys can see what I've been looking at. So like this to here, and you can see I'm really diving in here, guys. Like I'm really getting in the weeds because I was super bored today. And yeah, so I connected these two levels together, which actually interacted really well on the low time frame. So you guys can see a tap here, tap here, tap here, tap here, tap, rejection, got above it, and I was like, ooh, look at that, we're gonna go up. And we fell back through. The reason why, if you guys look right here, volume, the volume was garbage, and that was the key indicator that we weren't going anywhere. So it was a pretty nasty bull trap. Even I got like caught into it. I was like, ooh, maybe this is it. Maybe this is it. Nope, just kidding. A big one I've been looking at today was EOS. Okay, EOS. This indicator is from, I believe, a really high time frame one. Yes, it is a very high time frame. So you guys can see this level to this level was acting as a very major support resistance on this level, and you can see how well it's been interacted with. So below it, got above, tap, tap, got below, above, tap again, got back above, got back below, tap, tap, or tap, tap, tap. And this was the final tap. And this was when Bitcoin also broke above its level. And I was like, oh man, is this gonna be it? Is this it? Is this it? But look, no volume. No volume, guys. If you go to another chart, you can see on here. No volume. And that was our key that this was just a big old bear trap or a bull trap. And I posted on Twitter today and I was like, oh man, it's a nasty bull trap. Yeah, these traps are brutal. So this is like right after that trap happened and activated, and I was like, oh man, this is terrifying. And then sure enough, it just collapsed right on down. So yeah, it's crappy, but I mean, that's how it is, guys. Volume is our key indicator that's telling us that these traps are legit. So, like, if this is going to be a sustained move, what are we looking for? Volume. That's the main thing we're looking for. That's the one thing we've been lacking lately. Now, speaking of volume, you have this sucker, right? This is H-bar. H-bar, we knew it was going to pop off. And why is that? Look at this volume, guys. We have had a massive, massive increase in volume over the last little while. We have. Like, look at this volume spike, guys. This was our sign that, hey, H-bar is seriously, seriously here to stay. And it has. Even though it did get rejected last night, it popped right on through and kept on going. So this volume is what's telling us that, hey, this is legit. And if you go on any other chart, you can see we just don't have that volume that's really giving us a signal that this is going to continue up. Like Bitcoin, no volume, no volume, no volume, no volume. See, there's nothing here. So, and that's what I'm looking for. I'm waiting for those volume spikes to come on down. Volume, but this is a red candle, so that's not very good. Could you please check Bitcoin in 15 minutes? I see there's a trend line support and just flip the resistance. I'll check it now. Yeah, why not, man? Let's see, 15 minute? Absolutely. You said it was a trend line support, just flip the resistance. I'm going to assume you're talking about this one. Oh, it's freezing. It's freezing on me. All right, fresh chart. I'm going to assume this is the one you're talking about, right? And yes, if this is what you're talking about, this is a pretty significant one. Even though it's low time frame, it is significant. I do like this trend line. And as of right now, we are above it. But even though we're above it, we're definitely not out of the woods yet. Ooh, it is giving us some volume. Ooh, okay. Wow. All right, Bitcoin, I see you. Wow, all right. Yeah, we are getting some movement. Now, what are we looking for here, right, guys, right? What are we looking for? We're looking for the volume. So let's go ahead and dive in. I'm going to go to the minute chart. I know it sounds crazy, but you can see how well this interacts even on the super, super low time frame. So, yeah, we can look for it, see that volume. Now, okay, this minute spike was the highest volume we've received ever as far as like recent price action. Way over here, which that was a pretty significant one as well, right? So this is the highest volume spike we've received, and this is on an up candle that busted above this level. So is this significant? Yes. Yes, it is. Furthermore, look at these candles right here. Those are a consolidation pattern, and they have low volume. That's what we're expecting for any sort of a bull flag. So trust me, I know it's insane to think about, hey, these 1 minute candles, why are you looking at them? Because they legitimately do give you insight. Like you can see it's an impulse, corrective structure, followed by another impulse. Like this is how it goes right here, guys. I know 1 minute chart, absolutely insane, right? But you can still see this. But where's our rejection going to be? Well, maybe this entire cluster consolidation right here. You guys see that? And sure enough, we're coming up here and hitting it. Now, our previous consolidation is right here. So if we do reject, I would imagine to come down here, hit in here, and then continue up. That's what my expectation is, knowing nothing else. Oh, yeah, you definitely should, man. Like, price action and volume are so important. And they're honestly incredibly easy to understand. They really are. And it's something that's missed so much. I see all these traders with these like super complex algorithms and stuff that go over all this craziness on there, but they forget the easy stuff. And volume and price action just give you so much information. I don't understand why people try to make it too complicated. It's really not. So, yeah. You should watch more of my videos. Yeah, I agree on that. Absolutely, you should. So yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. That candle closes in what? 12 minutes. So we got time. We'll see what happens. So on the low time frame, what other things we're looking at? Well, and I know we're on the low time frame, but I'm also, the whole point of this video is to have you catch the top, right? That's the whole point of this. So right here, this is a pretty obvious breaker, right? Does that make sense? Goes up, price action drops, and it continues up. So this right here is an important breaker. And right now, it looks like this breaker was holding up this price down. So what I really want to see is a 15-minute close above this level. If we get a 15-minute close above this level and have some decent volume pop in, you know what? There's a damn good chance that the bottom is in. There really is. Yeah, same thing here. We don't have that volume spike yet. We do have some volume on this one on the Coinbase chart, which I do think Coinbase is pretty significant. So, yeah. We haven't touched the golden pocket. We haven't touched, or we barely tapped the CME gap, but not very much of it. I don't use any nasty EMA lines. No, I really don't mess with the EMAs really very much. The only one that I mess with is the simple moving average, the 200. And I only use the 200 for the 4-hour, the daily, which is my most important one, followed by the weekly. So, and that's it. I don't deal with any other moving averages. I haven't had that much success with any other moving averages. So, yeah. 4-hour 200, the daily 200, and the weekly 200. Okay, we are getting some movement here, guys. Like, this is a very healthy movement up. So the key here, and I want to show you guys this, look at this entire structure. Okay, you see this entire structure, how it creates a range, stays inside the range, drops below the range, and now it accelerates up. This right here, yeah, you see this right here. This is this entire range right here. So now what I want you guys to do, check out the daily. I'm going to get rid of that. Okay, you see this. Okay, drop, range, drops below the range, and then continues up. This is basically the same sort of structure, the market structure I'm looking at on the daily time frame. So, yeah, I mean, I'm not definitely saying this is over or whatever by any means, but just understand that this is basically the same sort of structure I'm looking for here. So, yeah. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this simply because we now have our new breaker level already established, and this is my confirmation that, yeah, confirmation is a close in 8 minutes and 34 seconds above this level. That'd be my confirmation, but until we get there, we got to remain cautious. Now, where else do we have any breakers on here? Well, there's really not much more. Let's see. Nothing on there. I think that this right here could be considered a pretty solid breaker. It's a point of breakdown. So right here we have, oops, fix that real quick. 15-minute breaker. Oh my God, that's such a low time frame. All right, this is a 15-minute point of breakdown. So those are my two levels I'm looking for. All right. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for right here, guys. A close above here, and if we get above here, it's game on. That's it. So, yeah. My cat wants in. I'm going to grab my cat real quick. I'll be right back. clawed the shit out of me. This is my cat, guys. His name's Pharaoh. He's actually not really a good cat. He really sucks. Honestly, he does. But it's all right. That's my cat. Yeah. Say hi to everybody, Pharaoh. Okay. I think he's done. All right. Bye. Come here, Link. Come here, Link. Here. Here, buddy. And this is Link. He's actually a good puppers. Yeah, this is Link. He's actually a good puppers. So we do like him. There you go. All right. He likes to poop in my rug in here, though. I got to watch him very closely. But all right, cool. So we're back, guys. Just wanted to take a little break on that because my cat was bugging the hell out of me. And now, of course, he wanders off after he comes to seize me. So awesome. Yeah, that's where we're at right now. Let's look what else we're doing at. 15-minute breaker. We got 6 minutes left before this is done. Other things we're looking at, we can go and check out our RSI. It's definitely a valid strategy at this level, just to see if we have any sort of bullish market structure. And here's the deal: we absolutely do. So if you go right here, go to this low, and this low to this low, right? You guys can see this is a lower low on price action and a higher low on RSI, right? Lower low on price action, higher low on RSI. So this is a bullish divergence on the 15-minute chart. Hour? Yeah, hour as well. 4 hour? No, but 1 hour. So it's a bullish divergence on the 1 hour on this chart. Do you have any plans or existing videos of trading a scalp? Man, I want to. I really, really, really do. I've just got a lot of videos. And here's the thing, and here's the big thing about YouTube that is frustrating, right? So I'm trying to grow right now, right? Because obviously I'm still pretty small. Most of my videos get 100 or less views. So there's obviously a lot of work for me to be done. And this is not my first YouTube channel I've grown. I've had 2 YouTube channels that both reach around 40,000 subscribers. So I know the work that has to be put into it. Now, the reason why I'm bringing that up is because my tutorials get like no views at all. No one watches them, okay? And I don't mean like you guys obviously watch them, but I'm talking like the algorithm for YouTube does not like those videos. So because of that, I'm trying to focus on videos that the algorithm does like. And what it seems like right now is the algorithm really likes the videos where I do like top tips or top 3 3 reasons why H-bar is going to explode, right? Those are ones that YouTube really likes. People click on and they actually watch. But a video over divergences, people really don't care about. So that's the issue with it. So yeah, and I really have to focus on trying to grow my channel at this point. And so once I do get that channel grown more than it is right now, then I'm going to go ahead and really start diving in and adding more content to it. But I really, really, really need to start making that channel grow up. So, yeah, I have to justify to my wife that this thing is a venture that's worth taking at this point. So, because you know she's my wife, she thinks it's a waste of time, like always. Yep. Obviously, she's benefiting from the spoils of me trading. But as far as this whole thing, that's where her big issue lies. So, let's see what else is going on. 3 minutes till we get to close. It's starting to reject a little bit, guys. I'm a little bit concerning. Let's go to the 1 minute. It's holding. It's barely holding, but it is. What else is going on? Let's see. XRP. We're getting some movement here. All right, XRP is not doing that bad. It has a very similar level. I would say this is our 15-minute breaker. Oh, there we go. For there. That makes sense to me. Yeah. ZEC. Another one. Oh, ZEC is having a very strong buyback. I do like this. Yeah, this is a very, very strong buyback so far. I do like the way ZEC looks. And I've done videos on ZEC. I really, really am bullish on this coin. Oh, that's why. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys this real quick. If you go to the daily chart, you guys can see the significance of this level. Log chart. Yeah, let's go to the 4-hour. You guys can see the significance, right? So tap, tap, tap. Got above this level, sort of grinding down above it, right? So because of that, it's really, really hard, or it takes a lot to push this thing all the way down. So anytime it can rebound, it's going to rebound very harshly until it does close a high time frame below it and confirm it as the resistance. So this trend line is acting as support, and this is a great example showing. So as long as it's around support and there's bullish movement that's happening in the market, it's going to rebound very harshly. So ZEC is rebounding harshly because that trend line is holding it up, which is more confirmation to me to know that, hey, this level is very significant. Litecoin is doing all right. HBAR, it's holding up. It's holding up. This is my major level right now. And this comes back from the 4-hour. You guys can zoom out and see what I'm talking about. It really is from up here, if I remember correctly. Let's go to the hour. Wait, why is this level so significant? I don't know why it's so significant. I have this level marked. I don't know why, and it seems like it's working pretty well. There and there. Is that it? Yes. Yes, this is the level I was looking at. There you go. Okay. Somehow it got messed up. But yes, this is the level I'm looking for on HBAR. All right, much, much, much better. Okay, yeah, much better interaction. All right, so this is a log chart. And you can see how well this is just bouncing off this level. So it's hovering above resistance, which actually is not bullish, believe it or not. Hovering above resistance is actually bearish. You want to see an impulse off the break of resistance. And since we're hovering and grinding around, that's really, really not the... Oh, we just had a 50-minute close. Let's see where we closed at. Oh, shit. We closed inside. That's man. I really wanted to close above here. That's okay. It's okay. It's not great. It's basically as neutral as you can get. Really wanted to close higher. Yeah, we're starting to reject. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. So the other thing we're looking at is we don't have that increase in volume, right? So this looks to be just a bearish retest for a continuation downward. So I expect it to keep dropping for a little bit. Yep. Well, that sucks. XRP closed above its level. On the other one too? Yes, it did. All right, XRP looks healthy, but Bitcoin does not. And as we know, Bitcoin is the leader of the market. So, yeah, like we have to follow what Bitcoin does. So since Bitcoin does not look good at this level, we're going to assume the rest of the market's also going to follow it and probably drop down further. EOS is actually recovering pretty well. My damn cats are going. Link, Litecoin, Mana. All right. Services or questions regarding RSI divergence? There is a rule about that, but honestly, I've never utilized that rule. It's always been if I see, if there's a lower low on price and a higher low on RSI, that's a bullish divergence to me. I've always played it that way, and I've always had pretty damn good results. The higher the time frame, the better results, but it can take longer to play off. And that's generally how I've ran it. And that's like a lot of people aren't as strict on the breakers as I am. I'm super, super strict about it. I'm very strict. This is a breaker to me. This wick does not exist to me. I don't care about that wick, right? That is a breaker and that's it. A lot of other people don't follow that rule. They actually make the breaker the entirety of it, or they'll like pick and choose which one's significant. Like this one they may say this entire level is a breaker and not just that. That's the issue with it. So you really, it's a lot of these rules that exist in the trading world are more of just general common practices, but don't necessarily mean that they are like legit. So do what's best for you. As long as you're consistent with it, I tend to get pretty damn good results. Yeah, it's starting to collapse. Thank you, Bitcoin. You missed it by like 20 bucks. Damn it. Yeah, you guys can see, like, this is how the breakers work, guys. Like, you have to be disciplined on it. That sucks. Oh, you also had this level. I wasn't even looking at this. So 5 minute. Let's go to the 5 minute. Ooh, all right. So you guys can see my major trend line is still right here. Tap, 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 tap. Consolidation, got above it, and now we're retesting it again. So yeah, there we are. We're still waiting on this to bust above. And if we bust above, you know, who knows? But right now we're just consolidating at the resistance. But we're consolidating underneath resistance, which actually is bullish. The big problem is right now, volume. We're missing it, guys. I want to see some volume pick up, especially if we bust above here. If we bust above this level, I need some serious volume to pick up for me to be convinced this is over. Yeah, this is what happened on the other earlier today. Bitcoin is breaking above its resistances, but all of the other coins just like collapsing. And that's what I'm concerned about. Ethereum, same thing. H bar. H bar is holding up my portfolio today. Man, it's been doing really well. Let's see. Yeah, if you haven't liked my channel, like, what the hell, guys? Come on, man. Come on, y'all. I'm giving y'all that free alpha, they call it. The free alpha. Yeah. It still looks healthy. I will say that. This still looks very healthy. I don't have an issue with it necessarily. Let's go to the 1 minute. All right, and this looks like a pretty damn decent bull flag. Impulse up, consolidation out. The big issue I have with this is we don't have the volume on the increase. Nope. We have some volume here. I'm going to say no. So yeah, the volume profile doesn't really match, but again, it's such a low time frame. All right, you said metal. Let's look at metal. How is metal doing? It's holding above the 1 minute 200 moving average. Kidding, guys. Don't ever consider that a legitimate thing. Well, very obvious breaker here. All right, you see that breaker? You see this breaker? See this breaker? Like, guys, like, this is incredibly simple. This is a very simple stair step right here. And it's just stair stepping. Goes up, goes up, goes up, goes up. Like, that's the stair step right there. If you go in the lower time frame, I'm sure it looks even cleaner. Yep. Goes up, drop, up, drop, up, drop, up, drop, up, drop, up, drop, up. There you go. This is perfect. But these drops are actually where you're building your support off of. So yeah, this is a really clean chart. And what are we finding support off of? Hey, our breaker. Crazy, right? Absolutely insane how that works. So it dropped down in here, found support at this breaker. It closed inside the breaker, which means this is still support, and which means now we're starting to accelerate to the upside a little bit. Not much, but a little bit. I don't hate this level. This might be a significant level here. Yeah. All right, so this, I think, is a significant level. So I really want to see it get above here before we see continued upside. Yeah, look how well this actually holds. I like this level. I like it. I like it a lot. So yeah, get above here, we continue upside. So we get above there, expect downside. When I change the Clive said, I click the reset icon on the bottom so I don't have to adjust right panel. You can try once, so it'll be like that. I click the reset button on the bottom. Reset bottom? I'm confused. I don't know, man. Oh, man, I don't know. I don't see a reset button. Maybe I'm losing my mind here, though. It's very possible. Like, do like what Nico did and give me a freaking like tutorial on the Discord. That'd be really, really cool. Because like I'm really stupid when it comes to like computers and stuff. Hover on the RSI. All right, I give up. There are 5 icons, plus, minus, on the graph, please. Right here, maybe? No. All right, I'm gonna. I'll check that out. I'll check that out in a bit, man. I'm sorry. I want to keep going though. I don't want people to lose because I'm stupid with computers. All right, look, we're having a little movement. I like that. Let's go back to Bitcoin. See how we're doing. Ooh, we have some movement. Very little, but we do have some movement. We are above this level, which is really nice. Now, again, now that we're getting, now once let's say, hypothetically, we haven't done it yet. Let's say hypothetically. Oh, hey, my wife is calling. I'm going to go ahead and mute the stream real quick. All right, I'm back, guys. Sorry about that. I'm back. All right, so yeah, my wife's trying to drive home right now, and it's really bad weather. So, okay, cool. So yeah, Bitcoin is it's flagging. It's making some sort of flag, which isn't bad. It's holding above this breaker, which is closing in 3 minutes. Close in 3 minutes. If we get it closed above there, that's bullish, guys. If we get a 15-minute close above here, honestly, I'd probably look to take some positions, honestly. Now, this is our primary level of resistance, but if we get above there, like, we don't have resistance above here. The reason why I'm saying that is because this is our major level right here. If we get above that 15-minute breaker, we're going to shoot past this major trend line. And this trend line exists on many different charts, like EOS, for instance, right? If we close there and keep going up, guess what? We break above there. Break above there, we're going to have some serious upside, right? So, and that's what I'm looking at. So, we're playing level to level right now, but in general, like, yeah, we got a good close on XRP. We got 2 minutes and 44 seconds. Raven, let's see your. Okay, I got you, brother. I'll go to Raven real quick. My Raven chart is pretty damn clear. Remember, my entire chart got annihilated, right? So because of that, I don't really have too much on here. Which one am I using? 4-hour chart. All right, cool. Yeah, my chart is destroyed right now, man. I'm not going to lie. All right, so this was a weekly level, I think. Yes, this weekly level. Okay, that's my key level right now. And then over here on this is massive, massive downtrend, and we are trading above it. That is my chart. Like, no kidding. This is all I have on Raven to convince me it's bullish. So until we lose this level, I have to be bullish. And then furthermore, that doesn't look good. Nope, did not look good at all. That's a little terrifying. That's basically it, honestly. The BTC parent thing give me more information. Let me look at that real quick. Raven, BTC. Yes. Yes, this one gave me more information. So connect that to there, creates this little trend line. As you can see, we have now busted outside of it. But the problem is, though, we really haven't had much movement yet. Now I want to zoom in and make this better. Ooh, okay, I like this better actually. So actually, when I adjusted this, it looks like we actually haven't broken out of this trend line yet. Yeah, we even retapped it down here. So we're close. We haven't actually touched it yet. So yeah, that's a little bit concerning actually. We did break out a little bit, but as long as we're still above this weekly, no, it's a 3-day. Above this 3-day, like I have to be bullish on it because it's like right at that level. And also the market structure looks amazing right now. And this is the big thing. You have this high volume on the increase and low volume on the decrease. So this market structure tells me impulse followed by a corrective structure. Like I can't sell at this level. It doesn't make sense to sell. So yeah, impulse, very clean impulse. Very, very freaking clean. Then a drop, which is a low volume drop. Yeah, there's no way I can sell at this point. It doesn't make any sense to me. All right, we do have a close on Bitcoin. Let's see how we're doing. Hey, look at that. We have some movement. Oh, guys, this is beautiful. All right, cool. So let's go back over here. Look at this sucker. Look, we've been closed for 45 seconds, but since we got to close above our 50-minute breaker, guess what? Price is accelerating upward. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. There you go. This looks really, really good. So let's go over here to our Bitcoin pairing. We are above one of our key levels, okay? This key level has been reclaimed. Awesome. Now, the big one is this one. I want to see this one reclaimed. And once we reclaim this, then we will continue with an explosive movement upwards. If we get some freaking volume, which we don't have any yet. All right, so ANKR. I was bullish on this coin. I don't remember why, though. I think it was a BTC pairing, actually. ANKR. Yeah, this is what I was looking at. Touch, touch. And we are hovering. We're just hovering. But look at this. This is the main thing I'm looking at for ANKR, okay? What is this? Impulse. How do you know? High volume. Impulse. Corrective structure. What happens after an impulse and a corrective structure? That happens. Up, right? So because of that, and because we have this massive freaking trend line right here on the BTC pairing, this looks impulsive. This looks corrective. The next movement will be an impulse up. Okay, like guys, like that's all I need to see to be bullish on this chart. Like that alone. I don't need anything else. But just because, let's go ahead and look at some other stuff. Yeah, and then here, right? The US dollar and the log chart both look good here, right? So you guys can see on the US dollar pairing, it came down here, retapped, and now we're continuing up. On the log chart, we came up here, tested it, came back below, and are now testing from the upside. Both of these look awesome. Both of these look awesome. Like, there's no doubt about it. So I love it. Ooh, Bitcoin is taking off even more. Do I like EOS? I will like it a lot more very soon if we break above this freaking trend line. Okay, I promise you right now. You ping me in the general tab. Where are we at? Oh. Okay. Reset. Let's try this. Oh, whoa. What does that do to me? What does that do? Reset chart. Scroll to the left. All right, I'll play around with it, brother. I promise you I will. But now I know what I'm talking about, so awesome. Zoom in, zoom out, left, right. Okay, cool, 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 cool. I like it, I like it. All right, guys. This is the pivotal point right here. This is the point we're looking for. Because look at how significant this level is. Whoa. Mind tomorrow. Look at how significant this point is. Okay. Let's go to a low time frame. Make sure we precision this sucker. See, it's not even precisioned yet. Okay. Precision, precision. There we are. On the 5-minute time frame. Take off the log chart. This is what we're looking for right here. What is this level? Okay, what the hell is going on? What is this level? Sorry, guys. I got a lot of different lines going on this chart. Oh, that's right. This is from the very top here down to here, and it's all converging right here. This is ridiculous. So this right here, all right, the one going right here, that's what I'm looking for. Zoom back in. Oh, my God. So, yes, we have a couple different lines right there and right there. These two. So I really want to see it get above here. So if we get above 33, like 600, like game freaking on. Yeah, Ivan, you do what you think your risk tolerance allows. All right, brother. I'm not going to recommend you doing 100x ever, but you do you, boo. Have I looked at EOS? Bro, I look at EOS every single day of my life. I love EOS. I love that chart. But it's playing games in my heart, bro. It really is, man. I'm really getting frustrated about it. All right, let's go to the other chart, actually. All right, there we are. This is my EOS chart. All right. Got a tap right here, tap right here. And now, if you zoom on really close, you can see we are right below this level, and we need to get above here. So we are like 5 pennies from being bullish. 5 pennies is all I need right now to be bullish in this damn chart. On the EOS pairing, let's see, or the BTC pairing, let's see how we're doing. All right, let's zoom out again. Now the EOS or the BTC pairing does look bullish. It does. I'm really happy with the way this one looks. Right? Where's this at? Come on. Oh, that's right. I know why. There we are. Yeah, this is my chart right here for EOS. We are above this level. This to me makes it super bullish. I bought at the bottom of that chart. Hell yeah, brother. I'm glad to hear that. But yeah, like the EOS chart looks really, really good on the BTC pairing. It does. I mean, there's nothing bearish about this thing. The US dollar pairing is so close. So freaking close for me to be bullish, but I can't be yet. I just can't. This is literally how close I am to being bullish. Get above this line, I'm bullish. But right now, I'm not. I just can't be yet. All right, where are we at on Bitcoin? Rejecting a little bit. Awesome, awesome. Be used to that lately. I think that one's it. Yeah. Guys, these two levels, like, no kidding, these are my two levels. I need it to get above here. I'm going to take off the magnet. This is my level. I want to see it above this level. Like, this is my level right here. Until we get above 36, like 3650 or so, I can't be bullish on Bitcoin. Okay, I just can't. But this looks really good. I like this massive V-shaped bottom here. I like the sweep of this low because this is obviously a sweep. If I can get the dang thing. Yep. We got a sweep of that low. It looks really healthy. I like that, right? Good volume on this drop, which means a lot of people got liquidated or they had step losses in place or whatever. I like this, but I cannot be bullish until I get above there. Once I get above there, I will be super bullish. EOS, you all know where my lines are at, right there. So I want to get above here. Above there. That's my level. I'm already bullish on EOS, but like this will make me super bullish. H-bar. Yeah, I'm already bullish. I don't care. This chart looks amazing, guys. And here's the big thing. Here's the big thing you got to look at. So let's go to H-bar at BTC and go to the 4-hour chart. So there's a weekly level right here. You guys see this massive, massive weekly candle? This is the last thing holding us from just going insanely high, this weekly candle. So right now, we're currently inside of it. So by definition, this is the optimal time to sell your H-bar for Bitcoin because this is a resistance until we reclaim it. However, because I trade on emotions, not on logic, right? I shouldn't be, but realistically, I'm not selling this sucker. This right here is in the center of this major resistance level. So if you do have H-bar and you're looking to de-risk, this is the perfect opportunity to get rid of some H-bar. Personally, I don't think we're done. I just don't think we're done, and I think we're going to get above this level. Maybe I'm being stubborn, but yeah. I think we're going to keep going. I really do. All right, let's go back to Bitcoin. How are we doing? Have we hit our blue line yet? No, we have not. Nope. I need my blue line to be hit. However, we are starting to flag out a little bit, which is really good. If you guys have questions, now the time's to ask, guys. Like I'm basically just doing these live trades, showing you guys what to look for. I have no clue how long it's going to take for this video to be done until we get some sort of resolution. I'm just showing you guys how this operates. That's really what I'm doing here. So, and if you're here and you have not liked the channel, like what is wrong with y'all? Come on, man. Like I'm giving you guys a lot of free alpha here. So make sure to like and subscribe and all that good stuff. I really, really, really need that. Share it with your friends, of course. Yada, yada, yada. What else? XRP. ZEC, how are we doing? We are not looking too hot right now. Why? Why are we not looking hot? Why are we dropping? ZEC, talk to me. What is going on? What is going on in your life right now? Let me go to a lower time frame. I hate to do this, but I got to really pinpoint these entries when they're so far away. And boy, are they so far away. I got to really pinpoint this stuff in though. See that little little micro movement right there may make a massive, massive difference. Oh, I need to turn that magnet on. That might make a massive difference on the high time frame for this chart. Okay, that's that. And this over here. Are we still bullish? Oof, we're right on top of it. Ooh. Oh no, we might not be. Ugh. All right, we're right in the dead center of it, guys. That's concerning. Isn't that crazy how very, very minor movements on here make a massive, massive difference? Yep, that's what it is. We are currently below the very high time frame for it. You know, honestly, I haven't used MACD nearly as much as I probably should. Stoke test. I can't talk today. I don't even know how to pronounce it honestly. Stochastic. I'm not even sure. I know what it is, but I've never actually used it before. So should I? Probably. Honestly, here's the thing, man. I'm very comfortable with what I do. I like what I do. It works really well for me. So honestly, I really haven't done much outside of what I'm showing you guys right here. Just building trend lines, BTC pairing back to US dollar pairing, establishing breakers, and playing it off of that. Okay, we just had another candle close. Starting green. This is a flag. Like, this is a flag. I like the structure here. Impulse, consolidation. Let's do an impulse. Let's do up. I want to see up. Make that happen. How do you advise trading on the 5-minute, 15-minute? I mean, just like I am right now, guys. Like, this is it. So basically, you need to establish your high time frame first. Like, this is not a 5-minute level, right? We've already established this. This is a lot higher time frame stuff, right? All these lines are much, much higher time frame. But on the low time frame, you can really dive in here and understand why it's going and where your major resistances are. So like the ZEC thing I was just going over, right? ZEC, I'm literally trading this on a 5-minute trade, but this trend line is 4 years old. But you can see how the price is interacting with it very strongly because of how high of a time frame it is. But you can observe and understand it on very low time frame. I hope that makes sense. And then obviously, whenever you are trying to catch bottoms or catch tops, you got to zoom in. You have to zoom in. You have to really, really dive in there. Now, of course, the better option, or the safer option, I should say, is where you basically wait for confirmation and then bail out once there's confirmation. So, like, where's my confirmation on this trade? I basically called this thing damn near the bottom, right? I showed you guys how to catch the bottom over here. Now, how do you catch what's your confirmation? Well, my confirmation is a break of this trend line. Like I already listed this out. Once I break above this trend line with volume, right? Whenever I get above this trend line with volume to guarantee me, or not guarantee me, but lessen the risk of it being a bull trap, then I will add more position on it, right? And what I'll do is I will do something like this to where it will go up from, let me take off the magnet. It'll go up here, break above. Once it breaks above and I see volume, right, it's going to keep going up, right? So I'll buy a little bit here. It'll come up here. Great. I'm going to wait because you know this area right here will be a serious resistance or a support. So when it comes down here, what do? You buy. Then when it comes up here and it breaks above this level, that's a change in market structure, so you buy again. This is my level. So I'm going to buy whenever it breaks above this level with volume, when it comes back down here and retest it. And then, of course, whenever it busts above this level as a change of market structure. Those are the levels that I'm looking to trade. And you do this on every time frame. So you can do this on a 5-minute time frame. You do this on a 15, an hour, a 4-hour, daily, weekly, monthly. It doesn't matter. The point is, this is the way to trade any sort of price action. Okay, so you buy on the breakout, you buy on the support or the retest, and you buy on the change in market structure. Okay, and that's what you're looking for. Now, on the exact same thing, let's say you're doing a trade on the other side, right? So let's say it's dropping. Okay. Hopefully you caught the top, but is it likely you did? No, it's very unlikely, right? However, let's say it starts dropping. Awesome. Okay. What you're looking for is whenever it drops like there, you're going to sell on this retracement. Okay. You're going to sell on this retracement. And then when you sell at the retracement, once you see some weakness in the market, then once you lose your market structure right here, that's when you sell even more. Makes sense? So you're not going to, hopefully you caught the top, but it's unlikely you did. So you're going to let it drop. Just let that fucker drop. Okay. You're always going to have a bounce. It's always going to bounce at one point, unless it's a complete and utter collapse. You're going to have a bounce, right? So it's going to bounce up here. This is where you're looking for your major breakers, right? And now you're doing a bearish retest. You sell on these bearish retests, and then you sell again as it's dropping, or you sell again as it loses this market structure, right? And this is a very oversimplified way of looking at it, but this happens on all time frames. So you can look for an hourly, a 4-hour, a daily, a monthly, weekly, etc., right? 423. My level's still the same, guys. I'm just going to monitor over here. I'm going to show you guys more stuff. So what am I looking at? 650. If I get above 650, if I get above 650, someone will let me know in chat. Or if I get below like 300. If I get below 300 or 650, those are what I want to know. Let me know. Hey, look at the charts. I'm going to give you guys some more alpha. All right, I'm going to show you guys how you could have caught the top of Bitcoin. I'm going to show you guys exactly how you could have done it. And if you were watching my channel, okay, no kidding, I called this shit, all right? You're probably like, oh, whatever, you're so full of crap. No, I'm dead serious. I know shit was calling the top of Bitcoin, okay? Well, not the top, but I was showing you guys how to catch this retracement, like no kidding. So over here, this is Bitcoin, right? No kidding, right? So we're looking at Bitcoin. We go over here to the magnet, turn it on, and you have this major level right here. This is a 4-hour breaker. Okay. Now, you're like, wow, such a random candle. Why is this the 4-hour breaker so significant? Well, it's pretty simple. Because you have, whenever it broke down from here, it came back up here, tested it once, tested it twice, tested it 3 times, tested it 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times. Then eventually it got above it. Hey, it got above this major 4-hour breaker. We've shown all the times it could not get above, right? So this was the sign of the market that, oh my gosh, we got above this major breaker. We're going to see some serious movement now. However, look at the volume. We didn't get the volume, okay? This right here was the sign that, hey, we should have been bailing. However, if you're like me, you're like, oh, well, this is probably gathering strength. I made that mistake. It's very possible, right? So what happened is you started falling down. There's a lot of reasons as to why you should have been able to catch it in here. However, we're gonna avoid that for now. Instead, it's gonna drop. Okay, it dropped harshly. We're like, oh my God, this is the massive drop of all time. It's crazy. It dropped all the way down over here to 47,000. Yeah, right, 47,000. Such a big drop. Okay, comes down here. Where do you think it's going to retrace to? Maybe it's going to retrace to this major 4-hour breaker that we were having so many problems to get above the first time, right? So, of course, where did it reject at? The 4-hour breaker, guys. Like, this is where it rejected. And, like, no kidding, if you go back on my Facebook page, because I was only on Facebook at that time, like, I was calling this shit out so obviously. You make any mistake? Oh, I got a ton. I made a ton of mistakes here. I saw this coming. Like, no kidding. I saw this crap on the way, and I did not bail. I did post a short position. Where's it at? 340. Oh, you guys are going to keep looking on that, so I'm going to actually go dig around for it. Yeah, no kidding. I'm gonna show it real quick. Where is it at? Where is it at? Where is it at? Yeah, give me 1 second. I'm gonna find this one real quick, guys. Intercandle movements. Okay, I remember that one. I know it's coming up soon. Yeah, I post such an like. Wait, is this it? No. God, I post a lot on here, don't I? Holy hell, guys. Um, back there. Oh, my first. Oh man, maybe I missed it. I don't know, guys. I gotta find it, but like honestly, I do actually have a post in here that I talk about the short position I put on the chat, and like it was clean as day, guys. Like it was a very easy short position for you guys, but obviously it didn't happen. So I did not take the short because here's the reason why. Because my holdings are in a long-term capital gains position. Yeah, my position is in a long-term capital gains position. So basically, if I'm going to sell, I need to make sure that my sell is going to make up for me being charged so much extra in taxes. I assumed it wasn't going to be as harsh as what it actually was. And as you guys can see, well, it definitely did go more harsh than I expected. So it is what it is. It sucks, but it is what it is. Where the hell is this thing at? I know I have it in here. Symmetrical triangle. Could have wait. It was on Facebook. Yeah, it was on Facebook. My bad. All right, guys. Either way, let's see where we're at right now. Where's it at? Let's see. Let's see. Probably check the date and chart. Ooh, that's a good time actually. Um, let's go to my. All right. Short. Let's try that. Oh, here we go. No, no, it wasn't. Damn it. Short-term dips. Yep, 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 yep. Yep, 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 yep. I don't know, guys. I'm trying to focus on this as well, so I'll have to post it. I'll post in the Discord when I find it. I know I have it though. I'll post in the Discord when I found it. I promise you guys I will. So, all right. Either way, let's keep going, guys. I don't want to focus on this too hard. Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? All right, there we are. Yeah, we're still waiting on this damn thing to move, guys. Like, you guys know my targets. Like that. That's all we're looking at. Ooh, that was a big mistake. Yeah, you guys know what I'm looking at. Like this is what I'm looking for. It has a drop, but we're still waiting for this movement up or movement down. Right now, I still favor a movement up simply because we do have this V-shaped reversal. The biggest issue we have right now is we don't have the volume. Once again, volume, volume, volume. Yeah, I think next time though, whenever I am, when there is such an obvious play, because honestly, that was an obvious play. I am going to take a lot more profit because I did not last time. Um, yeah, I didn't take profit like I should have. So Is what it is, guys. You'll never go broke taking profit, and I forgot that very important and obvious lesson. Ooh, movement. Come on, baby. Let's get it. Let's get some. Ooh, EOS. EOS is grinding up. H bar is also grinding up. Okay. Metal as broken above? Question mark. I think it was a. Yeah, metal has broken above, guys. This looks good. Metal looks good. I will definitely say that. Yep, this looks really good. And here's the thing, though. Whenever you have alts like this who are starting to get above that trend line, it gives you a lot of confluence that Bitcoins do the same thing. Look at this little shithead. He just came up here and gave me a. Yes, I see you. Pharaoh, everyone sees you. I know you don't see them, but they see you. All right. Ooh, damn. All right, bye. Yeah, whenever you do have a coin start to break out like this actually is a really, really good sign to the rest of the market. So it could be a leading indicator for the rest of the market. So, but yeah, that's a really good reclaim at that point. I'm really happy about that. H bar's chilling. I don't have anything specific on this particular chart. Yeah, nothing on there. Oh, EOS. EOS is giving me some life right now. Oh, okay, guys. Oh! It's happening, .gif. Oh my god, it's happening, guys. Yes! EOS! Give me some freaking volume. I need volume. Give me volume. Where is my volume, guys? I need this now. I need volume. Give me my volume. Come on, let's go. Oh my god, come on. Volume, volume, volume. Guys, look at this shit, guys. Like, I cannot make this any clear to you. This is what we're looking for. Okay. Volume, volume, volume. Oh, come on. Volume. There's no volume yet. Come on. Bitcoin, you also popping off? It's not. Okay, so, but here's the thing. We have these leading indicators telling us that other coins are popping off. So what do you think Bitcoin's about to do, right? What do you think Bitcoin's about to do now that all these other leading ones are starting to take off? Yes, Bitcoin's about to start taking off as well. Okay, this looks really good. And the one that really showed us that it was happening was metal. Yeah, this little amount right there, that's all I needed to confirm that this was actually happening. Okay, now here's the thing though, guys. We have had a ton of bull traps lately. A ton. You have to use caution in this market right now. You need to wait for confirmation. Okay, it's happening, guys. Like this is legit. Here we go. We have a little volume spike, not much, but a little bit. No volume there. No volume there. The only we have so far. My wife just got home. Oh God. She's gonna want attention. Damn it. Raven, nothing. Come on, EOS, EOS, EOS. EOS, lead this market. Bring this sucker up. I want some damn... Oh, we got an hour close, didn't we? Guys, this is pretty damn bullish. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get off. Yeah, I know, right? She's going to want attention. I'm going to let you guys go because I know she's going to want attention. I'm going to let you guys go, but I will update you on Twitter and probably on the Discord and all that good stuff. So if you're not on the Discord, you're missing out. Like, we put a lot of work into that thing. It's in the description. So make sure to do that. I'm going to let you all go. And, yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. And I'll be updating you guys a lot because I think that we might be having our breakout pending this damn volume, which we do not see yet still. We need this freaking volume to pop up, guys. Like, this is extremely important. Oh, yeah. I'll find it for you, man. Are you in the Discord or just on Facebook? Just make sure to join the Discord, and I will post it in there, and I'll tag you. I don't know your name on Discord, unfortunately, but I'll put it in there, so just watch that. Damn it. We're right there, guys. Like, this is so close. And we have not busted above here until we get above this level. Make that very clear. Well, this looks good. On the US dollar chart, we might. And we actually do have more volume than usual. Crypto. Oh, okay, cool. I got you, brother. All right, I'm going to let you guys go. Have a fantastic evening, and I will see you guys in the next video.